Okay, so let's take a look at how to work with media carousel in Elementor Pro. So I logged into my WordPress where I have Elementor Pro, and as you can see I am editing one page, sample page. So I'm going to open it in new tab, edit with Elementor. Okay, so here it looks blank, and here I'm going to drop the pro widget named media carousel. And here see it has total of 5 items, so we'll replace one item at a time. So let's add some images. So let's see if I want to add images something like this. Hopefully it looks good on that. Then second image, let's see this. Okay, then we have image 3, and then image 4. Okay, now let's add one more image to make everything look okay. Right, now here in media carousel you can add image or video. So I only added 5 images to show you how it works. So along with that you can also add link to that file or URL. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll also check out some of the other effects here. So we can choose slide, fade, or cube. So cube is a bit bigger with one image at a time instead of that carousel effect. So we can choose fade or slide instead. Okay, now here you can choose how many slides to view, so keep it default as it's better that way. Okay, then you can adjust height and width and other options below like infinite loop, pause on over, autoplay, and other options specific to image size and how it should fit. So let's update and see how it works, and let's play with the changes. So here you can see your carousel looks something like this. So you get the idea how to add media carousel in WordPress with Elementor Pro.